Hey, it's Ren. Currently we are here at Kuala Lumpur at 8 PM. So we are here at the Anderson Drive Smokes and Grills where they do a live seafood barbecue. So what we got is their set A that comprises of tiger prawns, baby octopus, bamboo clams and green mussels, and we added on flower crab and oysters as well. So for today this is our dinner and we'll wait for the seafood to arrive. So we are now here with our charcoal grill. Our grill is right here, and our set A has arrived as well. Our set A costs around 80 RM, which is slightly less than 30 bucks. And we are currently still waiting for our flower crab as well as raw oysters. So we were handed some sauces to go with our seafood. And here we have the Thai green chili sauce, which is a mildly spicy and sour sauce. It's great if you're someone who doesn't like too much heat in your sauces. The Thai peanut sauce here is great if you prefer something a little spicier to go with your seafood. And lastly, here we have the rice sauce, which is a unique blend of spicy, salty and tangy. So the sauces here are unique, as I heard that they are blended with the owner's own family recipe. Thai green chili sauce is still my favourite as I like the sourness that comes with it, but we'll see how it stacks up. Before the rest of the seafood arrives, it's time for us to do some cooking. As we're waiting for the seafood to cook, do consider subscribing to our channel for more food and travel content by clicking on the icon on the bottom right of the video. Next we have the bamboo clams that fell off the grill. I'm gonna put this little bamboo clam here. 2 pieces of bamboo clams. I've never had this barbecued before as well, so I'm curious to see how this would taste. As you can see, the stuff is almost done. The octopus is slowly popping up over here. I'm just gonna do a little flip. Look at this. Smells heavenly. Prawns is half done. Now let me get this dipped in the Thai chili sauce. Okay, I'll try this. A bit too much sauce. Oh, I love this green chili. There's no fishiness from the bamboo. It's a nice chewy texture with natural sweetness. And this Thai green chili really complements it well. There's a tangy sourness, a slight spiciness. I'm gonna try the other sauces as well, but so far I love this sauce. Oh well. Next, I am going to get a piece of the baby octopus. I'm gonna dip it in this reddish sauce. It looks spicy. Hopefully it's not too spicy. Oh, it's different. It's spicier. No, it's a nice sweet, tangy aftertaste as well, together with the like garlicky chili. I kind of like the green chili more. I slightly overcooked the octopus though, because the tentacles end up being a little bit crispy. Let me try it with the green sauce this time. Like, let me do this. Green sauce wins thus far. So good, it has this nice, lime flavor to it. If you like lime, this is the way to go. I still got one more sauce to go. And now I'm gonna like open up the mussels. I might have slightly overcooked the mussels. But let me see. Third sauce this time around. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. Third sauce is a lot saltier. A little bit of a peanut taste to it. It's not that spicy though. Okay. Oh, let's get this prawn into the sauce. Look at this. It's the perfect bite right here. It's a nice deep Thai chili lime sauce. Itadakimasu. Oh, so damn good. The prawn is so fresh. It has this nice crunch to it. There's natural sweetness, but this sauce just elevates it to the next level, man. Crab is escaping me. The crab is in 3 pieces. Last but not least, we have the simmer crabs over here. Look at the meat in that thing. Look at how juicy it is. I'm gonna like spantle this and look at all the meat in there. I'm gonna eat this with my hands. I'll get a nice dip of the Thai green chili. Oh, the crabs are so sweet. I'm like amateur at eating crabs. I can't get the meat out. Like, get out! Let me out! Let me out! Okay, I'm gonna eat the other one. Ooh, look at this. Look at all that meat. So meaty, the thick nuggets of meat. It's like a nice bite right here. You just like dip it into the green chili sauce. Woo. Look at this. Like nice little nugget of meat. Let's dip it into the chili sauce here. Still prefer the high green chili. So good. So sweet. So look at this, here's our oysters, look at the size of that. Our raw oysters are here, it comes in like sets of 3. And here we have the condiments, the Thai green chili, tom yum paste, as well as the fried onion that's supposed to pair well with the oysters. But I am going to go for the first one with nothing but lime, just to see how fresh the oysters are. I'm gonna like get a nice little bite of this. Ooh, look at this. Itadakimasu.
Oysters are fresh. No weird smelling fishy taste at all. Just like the natural sweetness of the oysters, natural ocean scent. I love this. But I'm gonna try the next one as recommended with the condiments. So I'm gonna try this with the condiments. First I'm gonna like layer on some of the Thai green chili, a little bit of tom yum paste, and garlic chips. So this is supposedly the perfect bite. Let's go. Let's go. Round 2. I'm gonna like drink up all of this sauce as well. They're right. The sauces pair so well with the oysters. The only thing is that the sauces are great, but it kind of like mask the taste of the oysters. No complaints though, I love it. Especially the chips. It sort of like gives a texture contrast for the oysters. You get a like nice crunch after like you swallow the oysters as well. Flavor combination, perfect. Alright guys, the GoPro battery is kind of like dying, so we'll end the video here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out Henderson Drive Smoke and Grill. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.